I've been chasing a coolant leak, small coolant leak, for some time now in my car, and where it presents along is it drips. I see coolant leaking out right along this parting joint here between the timing cover and the front end and the engine block. See this little slice right there, a little U-shaped cutout? This is the coolant passages for an L28. This, I presume, this slot is intended to keep any coolant that might leak out between the joint between this and the engine block here, dump it out this way rather than letting it just go right into the inside here mixing with the oil. So that's what we're talking. That's where I think the coolant leak is coming from. Again, right there. You see this little parting line right here, little casting line, and a hole. Now let me show you on the car. Okay, I hope this comes out. Let's see if we can make this work. And it's not going to focus. Is it going to focus? Me taking a picture of a thing. Well, you're going to have to trust me here. This is the picture of the, I'm going to stick the camera on there in just a second and see if it picks it up. Alright, let's try that. This isn't working. Anyway, I can see the coolant leak. This is above that slot. There's a slot and there's leakage here. You can actually see the green phosphorescent dye that I put in the system. So let me try putting a light on there and getting the camera on there, and maybe it'll work. So let's do this. Let's get this guy out of here. Let's get a shop light in there. I moved the alternator out of the way to get better access, and obviously I removed the evap canister. That's going to be, do this. I'm going to aim and hopefully get some light on the subject matter. Let's go down this direction. Maybe I can go this way here. Okay, I'm attempting to capture it. So the coolant I'm seeing is right here, leaking down right there. That joint between the engine block and the timing cover. And if you follow that up, hopefully I'm getting it in the picture here. Should be like right around there. Hopefully you can see that slot. That's where the coolant seems to start leaking from. So I think the only, I'm going to take it out now. I think the only fix here is I'm going to have to pull that timing cover off and reseal this gasketed area right around here. I think that's the only permanent fix. I don't think it's leaking from here, from this joint, because if I did, you would see it's dry on that picture until it gets to right there and it gets wet. Now, to get that timing cover off, man, I probably have to pull the radiator out, which is a pain because I just put it in. But you know, I can't have a leak. I just can't have it leaking. Let's see how damp it is. Yeah, it's there, all right. It's not bad. I mean, it's not a huge deal, but you know, why have it at all? But it must have been when I used a gasket sealer when I did that, some Permatex gray, I think it was. I thought I had sealed it properly, but I guess not. Now I'm using something called Permatex Aviation. Now I'm using this stuff, which I'm much happier with. This Permatex Aviation. Why won't you focus? Anyway, it's a brown stuff. It works really well. Well, that's all for now. I have to allocate some time to deal with this. I don't know if I'm going to do it over the holidays or not. Thanks for watching. Bye.